Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. More than 300 people belonging to different groups of the Salesian family gathered on Saturday, 13th of April at the Salesian Provincial House in Seoul to celebrate the Day of Spirituality of the Salesian family. The celebration was led by Father Joseph Phuc, Councillor for the East Asia Oceania region, who is making an extraordinary visitation to the Korean Holy Martyrs province of South Korea, KOR, on behalf of the Rector Major in these weeks. The day opened with a welcome address by KOR Provincial Father Timothy Choi Wonchol, who recalled that this year marks the 70th anniversary of the Salesian presence in South Korea. Father Phuc congratulated them on this achievement and stressed the importance of giving priority to young people and helping them, planting joy in their hearts and in their lives. The last day of the provincial chapter of the Salesians of Ecuador ended with the presentation of the provincial plans and projects. The last three provincial documents were shared. The first one was Father Juan Flores, that he presented the progress of the Salesian Family Project. Catherine Guaman, Lay Formation Technician, shared the progress of the Lay Formation Project. And finally, Father Marcelo Coronel presented the progress of the Renewed Missionary Presence Project. Regarding this latter document, Father Marcelo Farfan, ECU Provincial, invited all Salesians to contribute with criteria that allow them to continue dreaming and building proposals to continue being faithful to God in the service of indigenous peoples. Our province is missionary, and this is a wealth, a gift from God that has been for us a point of enormous pastoral dynamism. For this reason, we must all participate, and not only brothers who are on a mission, if we want a renewed project. The provincial chapter of the Salesian province of Venezuela concluded on 13 April. During the days, the 42 chapter members studied the three core areas of GC29, an opportunity to deepen passion for Jesus Christ and reaffirm the commitment to young people following a faithful and prophetic life according to the Salesian vocation. During these days of fraternity, the Salesian chapter members had the honor of receiving Bishop Raul Bior Castillo, SDB, Bishop of La Guaira, and Bishop Freddy Jesus Finmayor Suarez, Bishop of Los Taques, who inspired those present and expressed their gratitude for the positive influence of the Salesian presence in Venezuela, especially in the work carried out for the benefit of youth. 40 years ago, on 14 April 1984, the first gathering of young people took place in St. Peter's Square with the Pope, which was the seat from which the World Youth Days, WYD, subsequently arose. On Palm Sunday of that year, as part of the Youth Jubilee, St. John Paul II gave the cross to young people with the mission of carrying it throughout the world as a sign and reminder that only in Jesus dead and risen is there salvation and redemption. To celebrate this significant anniversary during the weekend just past, the International San Lorenzo Youth Center, with the patronage of the Disastery for the Laity, Family and Life and the John Paul II Foundation for Youth, organized a series of commemorative events. Myanmar finds itself immersed in profound grief and anguish as innocent lives, particularly those of children, continue to be mercilessly lost in the enduring armed conflicts. Families are left devastated by the tragic loss of their loved ones, while the relentless violence shows no signs of abating. This week, a heartfelt plea from Myanmar reached our community, shedding light on the heart-wrenching death of a young girl, Juliet, in a military airstrike, prompting a unified call for prayers and action. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.